I'm not endorsing, just sharing the truth about Cortexi. If you need the official site link, I've included it below. I've tried various supplements for tinnitus relief and found Cortexi. Despite initial skepticism, I stuck with it, and after a few months, saw improvements. Consistency is key. Beware of fake products online. Get it from the official site. Stick with it for 3 to 6 months for best results. It's easy to take, and the product is safe and FDA approved with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Are you tired of struggling with hearing loss or mental fog? Look no further than Cortexi 360 degrees hearing support. Created by Jonathan Miller, this formula has helped thousands of people worldwide improve their hearing health and mental sharpness. With free bonus digital downloads to enhance your hearing and memory, Cortexi is a game changer. Real users have seen life-changing results with Cortexi. From audio engineers to individuals looking to sharpen their mental acuity, Cortexi has made a significant impact. With essential nutrients like grapeseed and a 60-day money-back guarantee, there's no reason not to try Cortexi. Don't miss out on the opportunity to give your ears a rest and support your overall hearing health. Take the first step towards better hearing and mental clarity with Cortexi. Order now and experience the difference for yourself. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, so why wait? Thank you for watching, and I'll leave the link below for you guys to try it out. It's so worthy.